Today's committed work made storage fabric safer to operate in a production environment. The goal was simple: keep local and demo tools useful for development without letting them be mistaken for production access. Storage Fabric is being finished as Alcheme's external storage service, so local testing, demo onboarding, and production operation need clear boundaries. Storage Fabric now uses centralized access profiles for its control plane. Tenant, provider, protocol, emergency, and auditor functions now follow shared access rules instead of carrying their own local checks. In practice, local test access remains local, demo access stays limited, and production mode blocks test or demo credentials before they can change data. The service now makes its deployment boundaries more explicit. It added a deployment map that shows which functions each environment is allowed to expose, based on its purpose and the risk of changing data. That lets operators keep production tighter than local development, instead of treating every function as if it belongs in every environment. The worker now runs as a long-lived process by default, while one-off runs remain available for tests or scheduled jobs. Automated jobs also use clearly marked system identities rather than local test admin identities. Receipts can now show when an action came from the system rather than a person. Storage Fabric now uses an allow list, requires HTTPS, verifies addresses when sending, blocks redirects, and rejects unsafe internal destinations. The result is simple: a customer webhook setting cannot become a path into private infrastructure. The Postgres verification path is also easier to run. The required database test profile stops immediately when database configuration is missing. With local Postgres set up correctly, it passes against both clean and upgraded databases. This makes it possible to validate real migrations and runtime safety checks, rather than relying on unit tests alone. The commits added coverage for access profiles, deployment boundaries, worker behavior, system identities, webhook delivery, Postgres required tests, and production safety scans. The main result is not a new feature. Storage Fabric is now safer to run, with clearer boundaries between local development, demo onboarding, and production operation.